Hey, this is Jeff Rose with GoodFinancialSense.com coming to you live from Denver, Colorado. We're at the Financial Blogger Conference of 2012 with over 400 in attendance. Many of these personal finance bloggers took part in the LifeAware life insurance movement, and I had a chance to talk to them to learn why they participated in the movement and why life insurance is important to them. Let's see what they had to say.
I've been in the life insurance industry for 21 years and talking about the importance of life insurance, but you never really know how important it is to have your own kids. And I got 4 kids at home, and man, I like life insurance. We need to bring more attention to this very, very important topic.
Sit down, spend a couple of minutes talking over the family, make sure you guys have enough money to cover in case something crazy happens to you. It's really important. Do it once, forget about it, and every few years come back, just like with some other stuff in life. But it's important to at least stop and think about it.
My motto is you need life insurance if you owe somebody or if you love somebody. So a lot of times in life we like to think that things are going to go perfect and life is going to be linear and we're going to be just fine, but as we all know, we have no idea what will happen.
People ignore what's going to happen to them in the future, maybe because they don't like the idea of dying, but here's the thing. We're going to die one day, and if you're not aware of that and life insurance and what it means for you and your family, you've got to check it out. You've got to take action. Check out LifeAware movement. It's still going on. It's still alive.
You know, my family is my responsibility, and if I die, that responsibility doesn't die with me. And it's a little morbid to think about, but one of the first things I did when I got married and we had our first baby is I knew life insurance is just something you do. It's dirt cheap.
So my father passed away when I was 13 years old, and he had a life insurance policy. Unfortunately, his sister was the beneficiary of that policy, and for some reason it probably slipped his mind to change who the beneficiary was. So when he passed away, my family, my mother, we didn't get the proceeds from that life insurance policy. His sister did. It would have helped my family tremendously. Fortunately, my mother was working, but I always remember that that life insurance, it shouldn't be an afterthought. It's something you need to think about at every stage of your life.
The one thing is, it actually surprises me how many of my friends who are married with kids and they're waiting to get life insurance because they say that they're too young, but I'm like, that's the point. You need to get it when you're young because it's cheaper. As you get older, there's a higher probability you're going to die, and so your premiums go up.
The life insurance movement is awesome. It's bringing awareness. It's bringing a little more buzz to what people often consider a boring topic they don't give enough attention to.
You know, it really shows how much you care for your family just by taking the time to plan for the worst case scenario.
Life insurance is important to me. I purchased it a few years ago when I had kids, and so obviously I think it's a part of the conversation when it comes to personal finance.
In my opinion, if you have your retirement plan set aside, you've got all your investments, but you don't have life insurance, you're leaving something short.
Just do it, people. Just do it. Just do it.